Hello children, how are you? Today I have come here to help you meet a letter E. Let's go. The letter E lived in an igloo. Igloo is a big house of snow. So the letter E used to live in a big igloo. All the other letters also wanted to see the igloo. They've never seen it before. So one by one, they started going to the igloo. So when B went there, they together became B. T and E, T. L, E, Li. Fi, Gi. Si, Mi, Chi. When all these letters went and sat in the igloo, they were feeling really very cold because igloo is a house of snow and they were not wearing proper clothes. So they thought, let us start playing a game. Let us call our friends and join our hands with them. We'll run, we'll jog together, and when we'll run and jog, we'll not feel cold. So they started calling their friends. So first one is pin. P called N and they became pin. This is a pin. This is called a safety pin. This is also a pin. This pin is used to clip papers on the board. Now we will draw a pin. We will take a jump, small jump inside it, join it, turn like this. So we have made a safety pin. Next, fin. So all the fish swim with the help of fins. Let's draw a fish first. And then we will draw fin. Next, bin. We all know what is a bin. We throw the garbage in the bin so that our house is always tidy and clean. Bin. Next, win. So we generally say, who'll win the race? Today I'm gonna win. But we cannot draw win, so we can put a dash. Next, 6. Now 6 is a number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many hair clips are here? 6. Now we will draw 6. Now what can we draw for 6? We can draw anything that we like. I will draw lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll also write the number 6. So these are 6 lollipops. Mix. Whenever we are cooking or whenever we are making something, we add the ingredients and we mix them together. So I am making a bowl with a spoon and we can mix things in a bowl and a spoon. Next word, tip. Tip. Now this is a pen and this is the tip of the pen, the point, the tip of the pen. This is a pin and this is the tip of the pin. So how do we draw tip? We can also draw the tip of a pencil. So I'm making a pencil here. Now tip of the pencil. Zip. my pouch has a zip. I can open the zip and keep my things in the pouch. So zip. Let me now draw a zip. So I'm making 2 lines. I'll join them. I'll now divide it like this and make small sleeping lines here. This is a zip. Next, lips. We can also draw lips, and that's easy. We'll draw a line like this, and jump. Lips. Dig. When we want to sow a plant, we dig the soil. So I'll take brown color and I'll draw someone digging this. Dig. Big. Now I have 2 things with me. One is a Fevicol tube and one is a Fevistick. Which is bigger? The Fevicol tube is bigger. So like that we can draw 2 things to show big. So I'm drawing 2 balls. This is one ball and this is the other ball. So now which is big? I'll cross the small ball and this is the big ball, the bigger one. Fig. Fig is a fruit. Fig is a fruit. Mama can show you this fruit. It is called anjeer in Hindi. Kit. Now, I have a craft kit. So this is my craft kit. See, I have things that I use for my craft work. This is a scissor, this sharpener, some colors, a brush. You also have these things when you do pasting, printing activity. You can draw a kit here. You can even draw Mama's makeup kit. So I'm making my kit here. Few colors, a pair of scissors, some papers to paste. So this is my kit. Sit. The children are sitting on the bench. So I can draw someone sitting. Let me draw the circle which represents the face. This is the back, legs, hands on the lap, the stool, and this child is sitting on the stool. Pit. A large hole in the ground is called a pit. Pit. Yes? Easy? It's easy to draw. Next, lid. This is lid. Now this lantern, I have a lantern, I'll show it to you. This lantern has a lid. Can you see? I can close it, I can open it. So this lantern has a lid. The bowls also have lids in them. So we can draw a lid of the bowl. Lid. Next, pig. How can we make pig? You've done that before. This is a pig's face, and if I want to draw the pig with the body, I can draw it like this. Pig. Nib. We have nib pens. So you can see one nib pen if you go to the stationery shop and ask the bhaiya to show it to you. So this is a nib pen. So this is the nib of the pen. Okay. So you have today learnt lots of words with the sound of E. So keep revising these words and keep reading them every day. Bye-bye.